and today we're making a balloon popper game. So this is actually quite easy, and it's a great thing to do to start off with. So actually no, you're going to want to go here, and you're going to want to actually choose a sprite. And then you'll see this balloon sprite. Just click on that. So this is actually really easy, just one flag clicked, forever, create clone of myself. We'll put a weight in, but I'll show you why in a second. I want to explain it so you understand. So when we make a clone, what do we want the clone to do? A clone is so we can have multiple of the same sprite on screen. So when I start as a clone, I'm just going to say go to random position. Because this is forever happening infinitely, it should just infinitely fill up the screen with balloons, yeah. So we don't want to have to go that quick, so we're going to go wait, and let's say maybe half a second. Now, every half a second, a balloon will come up on the screen. And we want the original sprite to be hidden. Balloons should be popping up out of nowhere. When they become a clone, they share themselves. Seven are coming up, which is what we want. And now we're going to go switch costume to, and then what costumes are there? There's 3. So let's just say pick random 1 to 3 because there's 3 costumes. So we want one of them to be picked at random. Now, random colors of balloons will now appear on the screen, which is good. Okay, but we don't want it to be like off screen, so it's hard to click. So we're gonna say when I start to clone, if it's like on the edge of the screen, so we can go if touching edge, which is this edge of the screen. Then we're gonna want to make a new clone and then delete that one. So it's like they basically can't spawn on the edge, because if they do, they'll just delete and immediately make another one somewhere else. And if that one's touching an edge, they'll do the same thing. So essentially, it's just a failsafe. And now a forever loop needs to go here. I mean, I can't do this. It needs to go like that. And forever. So you can actually do when this sprite clicked. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll make the script a lot simpler. When this sprite clicked, we want to get rid of it. And go to change. Rename this. Score. And then show it. And put it here. So now we'll get deleted when the score goes up. So now we have a game where you have to click all the balloons. They can't spawn on the edge, so they're always spawning around the middle. And they're all different colours. But there will be one problem. When you reset the game, it'll have the score always the same. So just go set score to 0, so then we don't have to reload the project. And that's just trying to keep this simple. You could choose a backdrop, but I like to just get a bucket and fill in a colour with these gradients. So that's yeah, you do your colours that you like. I choose this gradient. I recommend, and then just choose 2 colours. And then when you're done, hit convert to bitmap and then click. And your back will be like that. There you go. Balloon popper. So you can go up here and you can rename your project to balloon. Oh. Pop. People. Popper. You can share it if you want, but there you go. Oh yeah, it's also had a sound. Scratch actually has some good sounds, so we can just go to balloon, and when we sprite clicked, we can start a sound. Yeah, pop. That is perfect. So just pop. And we start. You hear a little pop sound. There you go. So if you want, you can increase the difficulty by making them spawn really quick, like every 0.3 seconds. So now it's much harder to keep up with all the balloons and click them. For on a laptop, it might be very hard to keep up. So if you're finding it too hard, you can just go here, and the bigger this number is, like say if it's 2 seconds, every 2 seconds you have to click a balloon. I would recommend having it on 0.7. That seems to be around a sweet spot. If you're on laptop or not, you can move your mouse around, click the balloons. So yeah, thanks for watching this short tutorial. You can just go full screen here. Make sure you save your project. And yeah, bye.